Alright guys, welcome back to part 2 of my Brooklyn Nets rebuilding series. So, start us off, let me move this. Alright, to start us off, I think we are just going to simulate, not much we can do with this roster, not many trades we can make. Free agents, none of them really blow me away. So I think we're just going to rely on a team's growth this season to take us to, not another level, but advance us in our quest for a title. So let's just go to dashboard here and assume I'm gonna read this message. I'm not gonna waste your time reading that. And instead of simulating the whole season like I normally do, we're just gonna go 1 month and then we're gonna get a feel for the team after that and see what we can do. Alright. Beat the Lakers. Good. Lost to the Thunder. We are struggling. We are struggling in the assist department and the points department, but our defense has built. You know what? Got ahead of myself, but I still think our defense has been solid. Jared Jack, team leader as of right now. Of course, Curry's killing it, Cousins is killing it, Paul's killing it. And right now we have a playoff spot, but I can't imagine that lasts for too long. Lost to the Spurs. Wizards, come on, we need a few more dubs here to get us at least back into playoff contention. But nope, I think we're back down to reality here. So, after this, I think we're going to take a look and see if we can get one more, not impact player, but impact young piece that can help us grow. So one thing we are excelling at is the rebound category, so that's good. Pretty much means my bigs are doing the job, so that's good. Look at Alex on here. He isn't actually a great rebounder, but he is very tall, so I think that actually matters more in the rebound category in this game. Alright, so after the first month, it is apparent that we need, let's have a look. We could use a good point guard. That's definitely, we are lacking a good guard. I mean, Jared Jack's good, but he's old, so, you know. Jamal Crawford, talented as he is, not worth bringing in. So, I think we are going, as we see if we can make a trade here, let's see if we can get Jared Jack and second rounder and see if we can ship him out for a younger point guard. And while it loads here, let's have a look, see he's doing well. Alex Len's doing really well as expected. Rondé Hollis Jefferson. PJ Tucker's killing it. Too bad he's, you know, old. Kevin Garnett, not exactly a piece to build your rebuild off of. That was quite a phrase. Austin Rivers, JJ Redick, no. We might have to fork over a first rounder here. But we're going to make it a 2019 because I think we're not necessarily contenders, but I think we'll be doing well by then. Oh, AJ Hammond. I don't know if I can resist that offer there. Especially with that first rounder. That's something I'd like, although he's a center, so I take the Marcus Smart, alright. We're done Marcus Smart. Evan Fournier, we're getting some solid offers here, but I think we're gonna have Curry, but no. We need somebody who can develop into a star. So we're gonna go Marcus Smart. We're gonna fork over that first rounder for a really talented player for the future. Alright, so our roster is definitely improved. We have another very good young piece. And I think that's going to be it for this video. So thank you guys for watching, and part 3 will be coming out soon.